Some players enjoy talking about their success, but right now Russell Westbrook isn't one of them. Even though the OKC guard is having a potentially historic season, averaging a triple-double on the year, Westbrook was testy following a loss to the Jazz on Wednesday night. For a third straight game, Westbrook did not record a triple-double and said after the game that he's tired of discussing it, saying, quote, "Honestly, man, people in this triple-double thing, it's kind of getting on my nerves. All I care about is winning, man, honestly. All the numbers don't mean nothing to me." As far as wins, the Thunder are 15-11 on the season, though the team is just 6-8 when Westbrook does not put up a triple-double. In all, Westbrook has recorded 12 triple-doubles this season and is averaging 30 points, 10 rebounds, and 10 assists per game.